Hello friends, few days back I uploaded a video on splash photography. In this video I am sharing the behind the scene of a splash photography for my latest assignments. I took many other shots on the splash. You have already watched the first of this series. Today you will watch the second picture of this series. Splash photography is a technique that can add a certain degree of professionalism to your portfolio. Yes, it requires some patience and practice. But the most basic of a splash shots can be achieved with a little more than your camera, a speed light and some diffusion material. Let's watch. Just quick look on the last tutorial. I am adding the card above if you didn't watch yet. What we need for the second image: camera, single flash with the softbox, glass tray, dust blower, remote control or self timer and tripod. This is a final shot that I selected in the series of the pictures after a couple of a setup and style. As I mentioned before, a glass tray is required for this shot. You will not find it any store, so I ordered to make it on my specific requirements. It is approx 36 inch by 24 inch rectangular glass tray and added glass sides so we can store the water. You can see that it has a simple plain glass with the small balls of the plain glass on each side of a rectangular tray. Now I am pouring it with the small quantity of a water. You have no need to fill all tray with the water. We need a small quantity so we can create the waves. You can use a dust blower to create the water waves. For example, I have added 2 perfume bottles in the tray and creating small waves by blowing the blower. Small waves produced with the air pressure of the blower. More you blow, more the waves will create. You can see I am blowing the air from the corner of the tray with the dust blower. You can experiment with any object. After few experiments, I was settled with the single bottle with the props. I have added rose because the product is actually rose water. I use Godox flash with the softbox on the manual mode, flash sync with the HSS or FP mode in Nikon. Means flash sync on the high speed. I use shutter speed 1:320 seconds to shoot this image. Hope you will like this tutorial. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. That's all for the today. Soon I will come with the new tutorial. Thanks for watching.